Welcome back, guys, girls, geezers, geezettes, dogs, cats, chickens, pigs, bees. Welcome back, everybody. I'm at the Deer Farm. I'm just driving straight across because I just seen Cliff and he said just drive straight across, so I'm just driving straight across. I've got another back of the truck full of boxes for these bees. I actually cut the wood last night for 3 boxes, knocked them up this morning, glued them, painted them this morning, waxed some frames this morning, and now they're ready to go on the bees. So that's what I'm going to do. It's just started raining, which is always good, isn't it? Although we've had a lot of hot weather, so we could do with a bit of rain, because obviously the sun's nice, but you need a bit of moisture because to get the nectar, to produce the nectar. Oh, not much activity up here. Can see no bees are flying. They've all gone in because they know the rain's coming. But what I'm also going to do while I'm here is shake out that yellow hive with the failing queen and let it amalgamate with the hive next to it. It'll get refilled with a split, obviously, so. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll be back in a little while. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to shake that colony out, which was the one that was there. Basically, I'll move the hive that was in the middle over, the tripwire hive. I've given them another box on top, and then I'm going to shake all these bees out into that lid there. The flyers will go back to there. There's a queen in there that is, I did mark her last time, but I'll just run through, but there's no brood, there's no eggs or nothing. And then I need to check the rest, see who needs supers. These ones don't, they're good. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll set the camera up. There's no eggs. There's just, and they're a bit feisty, which is a sure sign. But there's just, and the bee numbers dwindling. So we'll just shake them off the frames. Put the frames to one side for now. So there's not many bees in there. So this is all I did yesterday up the other farm with the other failed colony, and they'll just see they're flying back to there, and they'll go in there no problem. They'll get let in. They wouldn't kill the queen or anything because they know they're not, well, they know they're not queen right. So yeah, there's definitely no eggs. Just drone larvae, look, just drone larvae. So I will probably find the queen anyway. They say like you meant to do it quite far away, but I don't think it'll matter. It didn't matter yesterday. So the queen's probably around here. I need to get a new mag mount because I lost mine. In fact, I just see the queen. There she is. I marked her last week with a blue dot, look. She's on there. But there's only drones. Even though there's a capped queen cell there, it'll fail. So I'll cage her. She's running around the top. But there's no eggs. So that's 2 where we've had failed queens that have gone drone layer. One up here and one up the farm. and we've lost 2 hives as well over winter to mice. Where's she gone? She's hiding. Anyone see her? Perhaps she just heard what we were going to say, what we was talking about. Did she jump off? Well, she was on there, wasn't she? Should have grabbed her while I had the chance. Oh, there she is. So we've got her in the cage, so there's definitely no brood. Just drone brood. Oh shit, dropped her. I'll put the cage there and you'll see there's probably no pheromone. So that's all you do when you shake out a colony with failed queen. And look, none of them, look, the queen's in there and none of them are even going for her. None are even trying to find her. And she's here, so she's got failed, like no pheromone at all. But yeah, so I'll just put them over here now, drop them like that, make some fly, and then go back there, you see, and populate that hive, or that hive. They'll take them in. Get them in the air. Oh bloody hell, like a flamethrower then. But you see, none are like protecting their queen or anything. None of them are helping their queen or balling around their queen or nothing. I don't even think I've got this recording. Yeah, it were recording. But look, they're all running the wrong way. The queen's there in the clip. So same as yesterday. Get as many as you can into the air. Get as many as you can into the air and they'll all go over there. And they'll all go in there, they won't kill the queen or nothing because there's eggs and pheromone and stuff. They'll get to work. So yeah, so I'll go through the other hives now. So they'll all go in there. They're all fanning to say, yeah, come on in here, look. They've all got their asses in the air. So I don't think there'll be any problem. The bees are like the ones that can smell the pheromone and just go in there anyway. So now they're fanning. The pheromone and the bee workers take over. None are balling around the queen like you'd expect. So that's all we had to do. Got bee on the camera. And then that'll boost that hive. Ready for splits. So I'm all done up here. So only 2 of them really needed boxes. The others are they're just starting to go into their second supers and starting to fill their second supers. So you've probably got a like probably another week on them before they'll need more room. But that one needed more room, so that one's got a big box, brood box. And obviously I'll put the brood box on that. They're all empty frames, so they've got to draw it out a whole lot. So they've got loads of room. Everything's got a good amount of room and stuff. And the hives are heavy, bloody heavy, just trying to move one. And then we've got a couple of bait hives up here. So yeah, majority of the bees that could fly, you see they're gone now. Can't even see where I put them. Near enough all of them have flown away, I think. And they're in that, gone in that hive. Some will be gone in that hive. Yeah, we've got the failed queen here. So sadly we'll have to dispatch of Her Highness. Not sure why, what was up with her. Oh, don't open it. Not that she can sting you. But yeah, not sure. So yeah, all done. Good, good. Horse at the gate here, look. It's got a Mohican, that one. It's a little horse. Little horse.